Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. On this video I'm going to explain what's happening right now for the Bitcoin price. And guys, after this consolidation phase by retesting this major resistance area at $70,250, which actually found big weakness to surpass this major resistance area, which I have already warned you about this major resistance. I gave you two scenarios, if you remember, before we actually here break out this fall wedge pattern. I told you that there is a scenario to see a pump to the price of the Bitcoin to the upside, and I gave you that we're gonna have the first stop here and the second stop is this $70,400, and this is gonna be the maximum price. But first we have to surpass this major $70,250, which actually we found weakness, as I told you. So afterwards, as you can clearly see, we have came down to this $70,000 area, then subsequently it follows some pump to the price, and right now another dump, which actually for me this kind of a situation that happened here in a very short time frame flashed me, witnessed me that this is probably going for an imminent dump to the price of the Bitcoin. So guys, on this video we're gonna see what is going to happen in the short term. Also we're gonna see why I believe that this kind of situation has been very bearish lately, and why I believe in the short term we're gonna experience an imminent dump. Also we're gonna see this major rise wedge pattern that most people ignore right now, and it's probably gonna play a big role for the next big rejection if especially break out this very strong support area of this rise wedge pattern. And guys, lastly we're gonna see this major RSI resistance area at the weekly time frame, which also witnessed me that probably gonna continue with this low price action for Bitcoin. So guys, if you would like to know all these things, you have to stay tuned until the end of the video. Before we jump to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you're supporting me so much. Continue this journey with a very simple process of daily like, daily comment, share with friends. You actually help me so much to push this video to more people via YouTube algorithm. And guys, appreciate you for this help from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to all of you. I'm Chris, uploading everyday crypto videos to you how to make smart trades on the crypto market and stack that money. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to not miss any of my future trades. And let's jump straight to the Bitcoin price in the 4-hour time frame to explain you why I believe that we're probably gonna have imminent dump to the price of the Bitcoin. Guys, as you can clearly see here, we were forming this fall wedge pattern, but I had opened a video before the breakout while we were trying to break this resistance. So I told you that probably because of that fall wedge pattern we're gonna have an imminent pump to the price of the BTC, but this is nothing else than a trap, a normal pump that is probably gonna wreck lots of people, because with this kind of small pumps that's happening, guys, lots of people out there opening big long positions, and I don't understand why. It's look really funny to me, to my eyes, because guys, we can't flip only from one technical, from bearish to bullish. We need actually to see some very good news in a fundamental analysis that actually can flash us that this is the right time that money gonna come and throw in on this crypto space. And with that way we're gonna start building the bullish territory for the Bitcoin and of course for the all altcoins. So for this pump that happened here, guys, I gave you my price targets, and of course I told you that we're gonna get very close to reach the technical price target of this falling wedge pattern, which it happened exactly. And with this massive pump that happened here, we formed this bull flank. And guys, you can clearly see here in the 4-hour time frame we had a beautiful formation, a deal. We broke out for the first time, as I told you yesterday, this support area of this flag, and we moved to the downside. But afterwards, yesterday, after I closed the video, we had some pump to the upside again at $70,220. And right now, guys, the last 8 hours we have again break out this support of this flag. So for me, guys, we have two breakouts of this bull flag on this very bullish pattern, and for me this actually witnessed me that we're probably gonna see an imminent dump to the price of the Bitcoin at around $60,800, $60,900. I'm expecting a drop, or either $70,000 around here, around this area. I believe that we're gonna see any kind of further dump to the price of the Bitcoin. So let's move on, guys, because here we form a beautiful formation of rise wedge pattern, which lots of people out there ignore. Okay, this is major pattern, guys. And if you notice here, the beautiful formation: A move, B move, C move, and right now we're gonna have probably two moves. The one move is to see the D move touching this resistance area, and the other one is with a C move at this area to gonna come to this support of this rise wedge pattern and break it out at $70,025 on this exactly area. If we're gonna see that breakout, well, I'm gonna expect big rejection, huge rejection. So I'm gonna give you right now the technical price target of this rise wedge pattern, and you're gonna clearly see with your eyes that we're talking for our level, guys, exactly at $50,850. Let me put a red box right here just to know exactly where we're gonna get if we're gonna have the breakout at this $70,025 area. Guys, I believe a lot to this pattern. I believe this forming in a 12-hour time frame, but also forming perfectly in the daily time frame. But right now I'm showing you the 12-hour time frame because it's more beautifully with candles, more detailed. So that's why I use the 12-hour time frame, and it's really serious, guys. And I believe to this pattern a lot, that it's gonna actually gonna do what it's supposed to do, breakout to the downside. Let's go, guys, in a 4-hour time frame to explain you right now the most basic resistance and support lines that's forming on this current situation. We have this $70,600, which is the previous bottom of the June, guys, and I believe that as we were under this major resistance area, I remain very bearish, and I don't have any kind of dissipation to come and break out this major resistance anytime soon. That's why is one reason from the technical side that I remain very bearish. Also, guys, you can clearly notice here we have this orange line and this yellow line at $70,400 and $70,254. And guys, in those two big resistance, guys, we always found weakness to surpass, and afterwards, after trying a lot to surpass this major resistance, always we coming back with another rejection. And so this last time that happened, this major retest on this resistance, we're going to the downside. The road to the downside, I believe that it has already started, and we're gonna get even lower anytime soon. As I told you, on this bull flag situation, I believe, and because of this rise wedge pattern, of course, I believe that we're gonna start taking the down road. So you can clearly see, and I had told you the most important support here is this $60,566, and I told you guys that if we're gonna come to this area and we break out this very important support line, we're gonna get instantly to this support at $60,277. And if you remember, I told that at the time that we're gonna touch and retest this major support line, most of the times that we have done that, guys, we have get under $60,000 area almost instantly. So if you combine, guys, the two previous patterns, this very important rise wedge pattern in the daily and in a 12-hour time frame, we're gonna actually see this technical price target gonna be accomplished 100%. Also, with this bull flag invalidation, we're gonna actually witnesses that we're gonna start moving a little bit to the downside. So if you combine all these scenarios, guys, you can understand that we probably gonna get to retest this major support area. And to separate the things, we're gonna have two scenarios. The first scenario is the scenario that we're gonna have actually the breakout of this one, and we're gonna get straight to the technical price target of this rise wedge pattern. And the second scenario, guys, is actually to consolidate over this support area, and afterwards you're gonna see any relief pump again at $60,800, and gonna move to areas like that with a consolidation phase. Let's see what is going to happen, guys. I believe, to be honest with you, to the first scenario, to have the breakout of all these kind of support lines, and I'm gonna get to under $60,000, because I believe that we're gonna experience the maximum pain for the BTC. I believe to one more capitulation to happen, one more Fed pivot, and with all these kind of situations, guys, we're gonna get probably to a maximum pain. And with that being said, we're talking for a 12 between $40,000, the worst case scenario, and prices over $14,000, we're talking for a very good scenario for as a new bottom. Okay, I believe we're gonna have lots of road in front of us on this bear market. 4 to 8 months, I believe, is the best case scenario to see actually some bullish momentum start building in on those charts. Until then, I believe that we're gonna have lots of consolidation phase, lots of ups and downs, but we're gonna be always under this $70,500 area, or otherwise under the $20,000 area. So this is what I believe on this current situation about the bottoms and etc. And before I close the video, I would like to show you this very major resistance area in the weekly time frame, which is forming back from 2021. And you can clearly see here, guys, that we have a really big resistance on this RSI, and we always getting to a lower and lower price. So we found big weakness here, as you can see, on October, last days of October, early days of November, we tried so hard to push the price of RSI above this resistance, but we found weakness, and with that weakness we formed the new bottom. So guys, with that being said, I believe that we're gonna continue with this low price action for this RSI, and we're gonna get there to a new bottom, and afterwards we're gonna see a breakout, and with that breakout it's gonna happen the things that I told you. We're gonna build the bulls territory slowly afterwards. So guys, I believe in the weekly time frame that we're gonna get again in an oversold position under 30 RSI points, and probably gonna touch really close to 20 RSI points before we actually gonna see the bullish momentum building in. This is what I would like to tell you, to be honest with you. And also let's see the MACD, because the MACD is gonna flash us the next cross probably for the BTC. You can clearly see that we're talking here for the distance that I was telling you in the last couple of videos, that this distance is getting closer and closer, and probably the next coming days we're gonna see this kind of flip going to happen. And guys, with that flip we're gonna see this bearish momentum here start building in, and with that bearish momentum we're gonna have probably a huge rejection to the price of the BTC. So let's see what is going to happen, guys. Really interesting, this current situation. Stay away from any kind of trades. You're gonna wreck out 100%, especially if you are intermediate or even a beginner trader. The best thing you have to do is DCA, buy every day or every week is the best method to, and most safe method to actually build your wealth in the future. Okay, by buying on these prices at very low prices and accumulating every day, every week, you are stress free. You don't have to worry about what's happening on the chart all the time, when to buy, why to buy that time, and all these stressful things. You have just focus to buy. Okay, and with buying those prices in 1, 2, 3, 4 years from now, you're gonna come here and thank me, because your wealth return is gonna be very huge. So this is what I would like to tell you here, guys. Let me know down below in the comment section where you think we're gonna have the next move for the BTC in a short time. Do you believe that we're gonna have any reversal up to $70,300, or you believe like me that we're gonna actually continue to this to $60,566 to this actually support line, which I believe that we're gonna get there. So that's for now. See you tomorrow, guys, with my fresh updates of some altcoins, and of course at the end of the day the Bitcoin video. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.